Alright, so on this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp chat from GMS phone to HMS phone. Also, you can use this procedure if you have both HMS to HMS phone or both Huawei phones, okay? Using transfer chat. It's very simple. First of all, I created this WhatsApp only for the purpose of this video, okay? So what I will do, I will open the WhatsApp chat. I'll go to settings. I will click chat and browse down. You will see transfer chat. Click it and click start. All right, now all I have to do is I have to download the WhatsApp in my new phone. Since I have it, I will just open it and I have to put the same number registered here in my old mobile, old GMS phone. So I will do it. I will just put my number, click next, then agree, and I will put this code which is generated from my old device, 280732. Okay, and let's wait for a moment and click continue, allow, continue, and it will allow the location also, and it will generate a code. All right, then I will click continue here, allow the camera, and using this app, and it will open the QR code scan. I will just scan it, and let's wait for a moment to transfer the file. All right, it's mentioned here, invitation is you need to connect. All right, so the transfer is done. I will just click here on the old phone, done. Here I will click next, and this is my name on my previous device. I'll click next, and I will skip this. Now here is my new WhatsApp in my Huawei HMS device, and you see the conversation are still here, and also my previous messages are also here. All right, and the good thing, guys, this one no need to use a Google Drive or any backup. Just use transfer chat and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.